Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have an iPhone 8. Yes, an iPhone 8 that needs a new battery, and I'm excited. So let's get right into it. When was the last time you have seen an iPhone 8 in the wild? It's quite an old device, and this one is a good example of how iPhone's devices can last a very long time if well taken care of. But the battery in this one is not anymore holding the same amount of charge. I think this is at 80% battery health, and it's easy to drain, especially with lots of apps. We have opened this iPhone 8 up and it's got lots of apps installed already. So we're gonna replace the battery. We're gonna detach the clip for the connectors. We have to remove those, then detach the connector for the battery. The display has to be oriented 90-degree so that it doesn't break the connectors. We have sprayed some IPA underneath the battery, and then we're gonna remove it. For sure, this is not the factory battery. The iPhone 8 has been released years and years ago, and this one is due for a change. One thing that you can count on if you replace an iPhone 8 battery is it's not serialized. This is the time when Apple is not yet serializing parts on their iPhones. So if you replace a display, it's just gonna be plug and play. No errors after you replace the display with a third party or even an original display from a different iPhone of the same model. The battery is the same. If you replace a battery from iFixit, it's not gonna throw off any errors. It's just gonna work right away. So this is a replacement battery. We're gonna attach it, see if it works. So we have stocks of iPhone 8 batteries, so we have to test if this one even works. We have installed some sticky tape at the bottom of this, so it's just gonna get attached to the housing. I'm gonna reattach the screws, because sometimes if you forget one screw on an iPhone, it's not gonna boot up. So that's just crazy. These are tiny screws. If you have worked on an iPhone before, these are tiny screws. I'm gonna plug this in. Still using the lightning connector. Not really missing those. Type C is better. Yep, it is better. There you go. It's turning on right now. Let's see if the battery is good. And I think it's boot looping or something. Cleaning up. David is just cleaning up the sides. And I think this battery is problematic. Yep, it's going on a boot loop. We're gonna get another battery. This one is not good. There you go. Perform the same process. Detach the battery. It's not really stuck on there. Good. I'm gonna remove it has its own adhesive at the back, which is nice. There you go. Plug this in. It should work. This is a brand new one. It's just gonna fit right in. Put back the retaining clips, 4 screws, and we're gonna test if it's gonna work. So the battery should be able to boot up the device under its own power, and it should be able to recharge using the charging port, and it can. Look at that, plug it in, it's charging, and it can power the smartphone under its own power. Let's go to the battery settings. Battery health, maximum capacity is at 100. Brand new battery from 80 to 100. Time for us to close up this iPhone 8. It's been a good repair session. I'm gonna push this in, let the clips snap into place, clean up the sides. Look at that, it's a classic iPhone design. I miss those designs. And iPhone 14, 13, 15, they look like Samsung devices, to be honest, or iPhone 5s that has grown much bigger. This one is more, I think, more sophisticated with smoother edges. And we're gonna clean up the display now. We have removed the whole tempered glass. It made the look of this smartphone dirtier. This one is much more cleaner. I'm gonna install it right now, and look at that. It looks brand new, man. There you go. Thanks for joining, guys. If you have any questions on fixing iPhones or other smartphone brands, just message us, message David. Visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre if you're interested in getting one of our services. And leave a comment down below if you have anything to say, anything positive or negative suggestions, or if you want to see a specific brand of smartphone repaired here in the channel, you can also do that. And this is gonna be returned to the client in a better condition that it came in. And thanks for joining. I hope you learned something. Take care of yourself, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time,